Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. Since yesterday episode 54 of this Pokemon journey was released, in which we saw an Inteleon and some development in Sobble. Directly in my view, the episode was nice in overall. And now today in this video I come with some merchandise scan, which suggests about some upcoming events that we might could see, along with the official news about the English dubbing of this Pokemon journey episodes. So there is a lot to discuss, but before I begin, I suggest you guys to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, to get more this type of related videos in future. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let me first discuss about the official scan. Since it simply seems like it's separated into two parts, in which the upper side is suggesting about Ash, and the lower side is suggesting about Go. Let me first discuss about the upper side. So firstly we could see a Zacian out here. And I am giving you a recap that he was the temporary partner of Ash during the Darkest Day arc. So maybe he is again going to appear in this Pokemon journey. But I don't know when and how he could appear. Although the another Pokemon is Entei, since recently we had seen Suicune in a proper episode, then maybe in future we are also going to see Entei in a proper episode. And as he is in Ash side, so I think the episode in which Entei will appear, that could be focused on Ash. And please, I'm not talking that Ash could catch him or not, as we all know Ash character. Although the last one is Urshifu, since we all know, in the next arc we are going to see him. And I think you guys know, that Urshifu is the evolved form of Kubfu. And Urshifu is of two types, first, single strike type, second, rapid strike type. And the Urshifu in this merchandise scan is single strike type. So maybe Ash is going to partner with him, and Go will partner with the another one, during the next arc. Although let me now discuss about the lower side of the scan, where firstly we could see a Raikou. So just like Entei, it seems like Raikou is also going to appear in this Pokemon journey. And of course, that episode is going to focus on Go. Although we could also see Suicune out here, since recently we had seen Go to catch Suicune, however at last he disappeared. But there are various Pokemon fans who thinks it's a temporary release. Whatever, in the new opening we had seen a point where Go seems quite defeated before the legendary dogs shown. So maybe firstly, these three legendary are going to make their appearance, one by one. And then in a separate episode, they all will appear together. However currently it's only a theory, so we can't confirm it right now. Although the last Pokemon of the scan is Reshiram. So now we are also going to see Unova region legendary Pokemon. And according to the scan, the episode in which he will appear, is going to be focused on Go. Whatever, I also have an update about toxicity, since I had already discussed about this Pokemon in some of my previous videos. But we see in number, then in 100%, almost 80 to 90% scans are coming, in which we could see him. So I am expecting to see something amazing with this Pokemon, maybe like our protagonist could catch him. However the chances is higher, that it could be a Pokemon of a Galar gym leader. And from the word gym leader I remember, that in episode 55 preview, we saw Opal, who is a fairy type Galar gym leader. So I think soon, our boy Ash Ketchum will participate in some gym battle action. Now at last I have awesome news, related to the English dubbing of this Pokemon journey. So Netflix has said that, on the 5th of March 2021, from episode 37 to episode 48, the English dub is going to be released. And thus, they will complete the dubbing of season 23. And please note here one thing, that according to Japanese version, episode 49 is the last episode of season 23. But, according to English version, episode 48 is the last episode of season 23. I know this algorithm is really confusing, and weird too. But outside Japan, we follow the algorithm of English version. So episode 48 is the end of season 23, and now episode 49 is the starting of season 24 that we are now currently seeing. And on the 5th of March 2021, you will find all episodes of season 23 on Netflix. And now that's all for the small video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type of related videos in future. And also let me know in the comment section below, what you think about the upcoming events that we might could see. And as always, you guys can follow me on my social media handles, like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.